Well, I think there's been, over the last 10, 20 years, there has been a lot of pressure that companies have put on contingency recruiting firms for a low-cost model. And as a result, I think you have a lot of firms out there with a low-cost model. And they're going to try to do the minimum amount of work possible for an acceptable fee to be able to place somebody. Cameron Brooks just, as always in our almost 50 years of being in existence, has come at it from a full service model. The idea that, interview a lot of people, accept and work with a small percentage of really special candidates, put a lot of our own resources in developing those candidates during their last year of active duty on average, and then bringing them to the marketplace and placing all of them. As opposed to other firms out there that interview a lot, accept everybody, and are working to place percentages of them. And I think those types of firms add value to companies that need to be able to maybe scale up transactional recruiting and scale it down really quickly. Maybe they're building a new plant and they need to hire a whole bunch of people really quickly. Maybe those types of firms that have tons and tons of resumes in their own applicant tracking system can really help transact with a company in that way. Cameron Brooks is much more of a strategic source, where an organization wants to diversify, they want to add value, or they want to add to their junior leadership bench. They want to get some non-traditional backgrounds, and it's not driven by volume, it's driven by quality. They want to hire good people and they want to retain good people. I think that's the value of a Cameron Brooks partnership. When a company comes to us and says, this is what fit really means to us, we know the person that we're trying to help them hire. We know the candidates. So we can match at a level that is just much, much deeper than your average contingency recruiting firm that never spends the time to meet their candidates or really ever get to know them as people.